Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, you are seeing how we protect our plants from frost. Today is September 7th in Calgary, and there is a frost advisory. And if we can save our tomatoes and zucchinis, it can grow for another 15 to 20 days as per the weather forecast. Tonight is one odd night when the weather goes down to -1, and if we don't cover our plants, specifically the tomatoes, zucchinis and cucumbers, it might die. So we have covered all our plants, those plants with the covers and some baskets, and some plants are inside our shed, and so that it can survive for another 15 days. So for everyone in Canada, if you want to protect your plants from frost, try covering them or putting them in a shed or garage so that you can extend your fall growing season. Thank you very much and have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you have any questions. See you all soon. Thank you.